Hi guys, my name is Tom Lasher-Walker. Welcome to 1 Minute Mixology. In today's episode, we're going to make a drink called the Rusty Nail. Originating in 1937 in New York at the British Industries Fair, the Rusty Nail has been known to have several other names throughout its existence, including the MIG, the Knucklehead, and the Little Club No. 1 when it was printed in bottoms up by Ted Saucier in 1951. A favourite of Frank Sinatra and the Rat Pack, the drink was endorsed by Drambuie chairwoman Gina Mackinnon in the New York Times in 1967. In our adapted recipe, we used 2 dashes of Angostura Bitters, a ½ ounce of Drambuie, 2 ounces of blended or Highland Malt Scotch, all built in the glass, stirred over ice and garnished with a lemon and orange twist. Guys, thanks for tuning into this week's episode. If you want to see a specific drink or ingredient, leave it in the comment section below. If you like the content, follow me on social media and at tomlasherwalker.com as well. And until next time, I'll see you then. Salute.